How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating Instagram, simply open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on your story. Now first of all select a background photo. Now once you select the background photo, adjust the position and size. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top menu. Now simply tap on photo. Now select a foreground photo. Again adjust the position. Now tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.